Hello guys, xanavi.net. Today we want to show you our new service. It's the factory installation of the parking sensors. So this is Nissan Fuga 2007 year. We have upgraded the system to the Clarion 08 IT. This system was installing in Nissan and Infiniti cars from 2011 to 2018 years. So it's a plug-and-play solution with Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth hands-free, high-resolution display with touchscreen, the navigation, European radio without losing any functionality. Climate control works without any problems. And to this upgraded system we have connected the parking sensors. So now you can hear the sound and the image. So no need to install any additional small displays on the dash. It's the factory solution. So if you own Nissan or Infiniti car from 2010 to 2018 year with the same 08 IT system, we can just sell you the parking sensors installation kit, including all the needed wiring harness, the parking sensors, all the needed controllers and so on. So you just have to purchase, receive it and connect. It's plug and play, no need to cut the car's wiring. But if you own an older car like this one, it had an older generation system, first you will have to install the upgrade kit like this one, and then you will be able to install the parking sensors. Many thanks for watching. If you want to do the same with your Nissan Infiniti car, get in touch with us. We deliver it worldwide, doesn't matter where do you live. So our contact details you can find in the description of this video. Stay safe, bye bye.